solve dy dx plus y cot x equals to cos x. Again, this is another linear equation of this form, dy dx plus py equals to q. So this kind of equation, this is always our integrating factor, and the solution of this kind of equation is given by y dot integrating factor equals the integral of q dot integrating factor dx. Now from this kind of equation, we can be able to identify our p and q from this equation. Our p equals to cot x, and then our q equals to cos x. So if this is the case, then we can be able to get the integrating factor. Our integrating factor. So if p is equal to this, we get the integral of p dx, which equals the integral of now cot x dx, which equals to, remember, the integral of cot x is the same as the integral of cos x all over the integral of sin x, then dx. Now when you integrate cos x all over sin x, you get ln of sin x. Therefore, what we are saying is, if the integral of p equals to ln of sin x, therefore the integrating factor will be equal to exponent ln of sin x, which equals to sin x. Remember, exponent ln of a function will be always equals to a function itself. Now this is a function, so it will be equal to a function. So our integrating factor, therefore, our integrating factor equals to sin x. So if you have the integrating factor, and therefore we come then and we say that the solution is given by this. Therefore, we are saying that y dot integrating factor, which is sin x, will be equal to the integral of q is cos x dot integrating factor, which is sin x, then dx. So from this we need to integrate this. So from here you realize that when you differentiate sin x, you get cos x. So we shall say let z equals to sin x. We differentiate z with respect to x, dz dx here equals to cos x, meaning that dz equals to cos x dx. Now our integral therefore becomes, this will be equal to the integral of, now this is z, and remember cos x dx, cos x dx is our dz, like that. So when you integrate z dz, you'll be able to get z squared all over 2 plus a constant of integration. Therefore, we are saying that y equals to sin x equals to, we now replace z is sin x. So we have sin x squared all over 2 plus a constant of integration. So y equals to, when you divide through by sin x, equals to sin x all over 2 plus c all over sin x. Thank you for watching.